Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. USD JPY buyers attack 106.00 following Japan's Q1 GDP. http ntvforex.com news ID BB37C2 0018 GMT. Biannual Panchal. USD JPY buyers attack the upper band of a short-term trading range between 105.75 and 105.95. The final reading of Japan's GDP for the first quarter Q1 confirms 0.6% figures QoQ. Risk dwindles amid the coronavirus woes, U.S. policymakers' inability to offer COVID-19 relief plan. Early month PMIs can offer immediate direction, but virus headlines, news concerning the U.S. aid package will be the key. USD JPY stays modestly changed while taking rounds to 105.90 as markets in Tokyo opens for trading on Monday. The pair recently picked up the bids after the final readings of Japan's Q1 GDP data while also concentrating on the risk aversion wave. Japan's first quarter Q1 GDP confirmed 0.6% QoQ and 2.2% annualized contractions during their latest release. The data also asserts the policymakers' downward revision to FY 2020 read GDP forecasts. Read slight beat for Japan Q1 revised real GDP 0.6% QoQ second prelim 0.6%, Reuters poll 0.7%. Risks remain as the key. Despite downbeat data, USD JPY fails to rise much as risk-off mood continues to occupy the driver's seat. Among the main catalysts, the U.S. policymakers' inability to provide details of fiscal plan and the coronavirus COVID-19 crisis remain as important catalysts. The U.S. Senate members failed to offer any details on the unemployment claims benefit even if the relief measure expired on Friday. Additionally, the policymakers also couldn't agree over the plan to combat the economic impacts of the pandemic. While the Democrats are ready to offer $3.5 trillion help, Republicans are not favoring anything more than $1.0 trillion as the much-awaited aid package. Recently, House Speaker Nancy Pelosi said U.S. President Trump standing in way of enhanced unemployment benefits. On the other hand, U.S. Treasury Secretary Steve Mnuchin mentioned during the ABC interview that we need to be careful about not piling on enormous debt for future generations. Talking about the virus, new cases continue to rise in Australia's Victoria while Tokyo marks a bit of relief as far as the latest data is concerned. Tokyo confirmed 292 new coronavirus infections on Sunday, after cases rose by more than 400 in the past 2 days. Public broadcaster NHK said, per Reuters. The US dollar witnessed month-end trade adjustments on Friday where it surged across the board while edging off over 2-year low. Markets risk-tone sentiment remains sluggish as S&P 500 futures struggle around 3,260 and Japan's Nikkei 225 gains over 1.0% but the US 10-year Treasury yields remain on the back foot near 0.536%. Looking forward, traders will keep eyes on the month-start PMI data from China and the US for immediate direction. Though, major attention will be on the risk catalysts that suggest further weakness in the market's optimism. Technical analysis. Unless breaking June month's low near 106.10, which holds the key to the pair's rise towards a 2-month-old resistance line near 106.70, bears are less likely to stop targeting 104.00. Additional important levels. Overview. Today last price. 105.82. Today daily change. 0.08. Today daily change percent. 0.08%. Today daily open. 105.9. Trends. Daily SMA 20. 106.61. Daily SMA 50. 107.21. Daily SMA 100. 107.55. Daily SMA 200. 108.26. Levels. Previous daily high. 106.06. Previous daily low. 104.19. Previous weekly high. 106.13. Previous weekly low. 104.19. Previous monthly high. 108.16. Previous monthly low. 104.19. Daily Fibonacci 38.2%. 105.34. Daily Fibonacci 61.8%. 104.9. Daily Pivot Point S1. 104.7. Daily Pivot Point S2. 103.51. Daily Pivot Point S3. 102.84. Daily Pivot Point R1. 106.57. Daily Pivot Point R2. 107.25. Daily Pivot Point R3. 108.44. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.